Hey everyone, in this video I want to give you a more in-depth breakdown of the File Manager. So let's start off on the File Manager screen. Here we have a variety of different options in the toolbar that we can adjust or fix our images. For the purpose of this video, I will just go from left to right. So first we will start off with the folder icon, which will let us add a new folder for image organization. Then the new text file, which will allow you to add a text file. This is mostly used for front-end purposes like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Then select files to upload, which is pretty self-explanatory. Click on that and you will be able to add photos to the File Manager. Then we have the open icon, which opens the image you have selected to see a larger view of it. We have the download icon, which downloads the image to your computer. Then the information icon, which gives you a quick snippet of information on that image. The preview icon also opens the image you have selected to see a larger view of it. Then we have the copy, cut, and paste feature, which allows you to copy or temporarily cut an image and place it somewhere else. This can be used if you want to add the same image in different folders. Then we have the trash icon to delete images. Next we have the duplicate icon, which duplicates the image. The cursor/rename icon to rename your image's file name. We have the resize and rotate icon to do just that, resize and rotate. Next we have the create archive button to archive the image. And the next two are different ways to view the images, either in a list or grid view. And the arrows are used to sort the images via name, size, kind, and date. Then to the right of that, we have the search bar, which allows you to directly search for an image by typing in letters, words, or the exact file name. And there you have it. This has been an overview of the File Manager toolbar to help you with any File Manager questions or situations you run into. Thanks again for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe so you're notified when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next one.